Who do you call when your machine breaks down and you need a part right away? Hi, I'm Ryan White with AMS Parts, and we're your team. At AMS, we are absolutely passionate about serving our customers and moving all of our customers forward. Whether we can procure the part for them or we have to move them down the road and recommend another option for them, we want to be their guys. Our goal is to serve them and to get their machines up and running just as soon as possible so they can get back to work. When doing business with AMS, you'll be assigned a dedicated part specialist that can provide the parts you need to move you forward. For us at AMS to be able to provide a one point of contact is super important for us. We're passionate about our customers really having us right in their cell phone where they know James in there, or they know Dwayne in the office. To be able to connect with them at that level, absolutely amazing, absolutely important, and that's our mission. Give us a call today and we can assign you, your team, or your company a dedicated parts specialist, and let's see how AMS can serve you.